In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile credit card payments in Xero. Reconciliation is an essential step in ensuring your financial records are accurate, reflecting all transactions in your business. When you maintain up-to-date and accurate records, it helps in keeping track of your finances, budgeting, and preparing for tax season. Reconciling credit card payments in Xero is straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step to make the process as smooth as possible. First, let's start by opening the Xero website on your preferred browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, we're going to look for the navigation menu. From this menu, you will need to click on Accounting. It's one of the primary options and will lead you to manage various aspects of your accounting. After selecting Accounting, you'll see an option labeled Bank Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial because it's where all your bank transactions, including credit card payments, are listed and ready to be reconciled. Upon entering the Bank Accounts section, you'll notice a blue button specifically for reconciling your accounts. This button is your gateway to aligning your Xero records with your real-world bank statements. Click on this blue Reconcile button to dive into the reconciliation process. Now that you're in the reconciliation window, it's time to fill out some important fields. These fields are who, why, and what. Let's break these down to ensure clarity. The who field refers to the person or entity involved in the transaction. This could be a supplier, customer, or any other relevant party tied to the payment. The why section asks for a description of the transaction's purpose, like office supplies purchase or client refund. This is essential for keeping a clean and detailed account of each transaction. When you get to the what field, you should enter any specifics or details that further clarify the transaction. In some cases, you may also need to specify the region, particularly if the transaction involves foreign locations or currencies. Additionally, provide the correct tax rate associated with the transaction. Having the correct tax rate is important for future audits and ensuring tax compliance. Once you've carefully filled out these fields, you'll see the OK button light up, indicating that Xero is ready to finalize the reconciliation. Make sure you've double-checked all your entries are correct, and then go ahead and click this OK button to complete the reconciliation process. And there you have it. Your credit card payments are now reconciled in Xero. By maintaining a regular schedule of reconciling your accounts, you ensure that your financial records are accurate and your business runs smoothly. Thanks for following along, and make sure to keep everything up to date to avoid any financial surprises.